Welcome to Beyond Breaking News,
where the news is of the people, for the people, but by the youth.
by the youth.
This is YJ Meghna.
This is YJ Monjima. And this is YJ Krishnapriya.
This is Akansha.
This is Rajpreet.
And this is Akil. This is YJ Soumya.
This is YJ Hitaishi.
This is YJ Aditya.
This is YJ Advait.
And this is YJ Sayantul.
This is YJ Devika.
This is YJ Aditi. And I'm YJ Shrutika.
This is YJ Gehna Jain from Bengaluru.
This is YJ Ruchika Sinha signing off from Young Journals.
Young Journals, where the news is of the people, for the people, but
So, how do you feel about today's program?
Jailam, it was really wonderful to see the young kids really performing such a, wonderfully. The script is so good, and so relevant. Every facets of life has been covered by the kids, and it's really wonderful to see that the students have picked up media as one of the career which they want to pursue in future.
The bulletin was really good. In fact, I'm very impressed the way you have presented it, the expressive face that you have brought up there. It was really good, Akil. I'm really proud of you.
Oh, it was excellent. I loved it. Very nice.
I was really proud to see you speaking so well and so confident.
I think the bulletin was very well prepared. There was a lot of planning. The material collected for the bulletin was excellent, and I think overall a very good job.
The bulletin was excellent. I really liked your performance. It's a difficult topic for the children, but the kind of preparation you did for the bulletin and also what you presented was something different than what I expected. So you did excellent job, Shrutika. I really appreciate the efforts you took in and really appreciate the kind of teamwork you had within your team.
Course which is given to the students nowadays has become more competitive and more wide. The aspects in terms of career is wide, and media being the key because media is per se taken into consideration in all the careers elsewhere, and taking this as the niche platform would actually make them go and reach high horizons, and I wish them all the very best.
What message would you like to give the management of the school?
I think it's really wonderful for the Ryan institution that they are conducting programs like this. It, apart from academics, it gives a lot of other skill sets to the students, and especially the younger generation. It is really wonderful to see.
Yeah, it was a very nice program conducted, and really appreciate it, and they should continue with this, and many more students should participate in it and get benefit out of it.
I think I saw this first time last year when I was here. Mr. Prashant sir was giving an introduction about this course. So that's when I thought it will be a very good course for our children. And throughout the 1 week program, I think it was very well planned, and overall I think a very good job by the Ryan Studio.
The message I would definitely thank a lot to bring about such a good opportunity for the kids. In fact, at a low age like Akil is just 11 years, and such a good opportunity which Ryan International School is providing to the kids, it's really good. I thank a lot for that.
This is a very good platform for children to build up the confidence, because this in a long way will go to enhance their confidence level even at a corporate level.
Management did a fantastic job of first of all creating an infrastructure and a faculty around to create such a learning opportunity. It's a big learning opportunity, which is very unique. I don't think this is normally available in any other schools, but I would really recommend that this course has to get enhanced further by trying to have repetitive courses, some more practical sessions over the year, and keep it alive for the students like you.
I would like to congratulate first of all the Ryan School to empower and at least introduce these kinds of courses to fellow students, because this kind of a platform actually gives them more of a confidence. This kind of a platform from now on itself will give them immense courage and confidence.